Behind me is the red-black edition of the Harrier, and I have to say, have a look at the interiors of this vehicle right here. I'm actually very impressed with Tata's work. The red leather interiors are just fabulous, man. It reminds me of a complete red Range Rover interior. It is so much similar to that. So this vehicle has come in for the height rejection films. The films are already installed. You can see they are not very dark. The lighting here is slightly low, so they might look dark, but it is all clear. You can see through and through of all the glasses. And we are doing partial PPF, as you can see that the side caps of the car, the rear bumper, the front bumper and all are going for a partial PPF. This partial PPF is actually a very good game changer for your cars if you do not have the budget to PPF the full car. These are some of the main crucial areas that you should do. Let me show you what all areas are those. The first and the foremost area of the car that you should protect for partial PPF is your front bumper, because the bumper is the place where the maximum damages are appearing. Secondly is your headlight. Headlight is not very expensive to do. A set of 2 headlights will only cost you 2,000 rupees. With a set of headlights will come with a 3-year warranty and only will cost you rupees 2,000, which is very cheap, and this will help your headlight to stay the same color. Normally you see after 5 years your headlights will tend to fade and become yellow. This will absolutely prevent that from happening. Second portion that you should consider doing PPF is your bonnet. Bonnet is the life of the car. It is the front face of the car, and imagine the face of the car having all sort of swirl marks. You don't want that, right? So go for a PPF for your front bumper, headlight and the bonnet. These are the most crucial areas that you should be considering. Apart from that, secondary location, which is cheap, which is on a budget, are your door handle sills. These areas are maximum prone to scratches. When you see our rings, our nails always keep touching this portion and causing scratches. What's going to happen is once it's done in PPF, you won't see any scratches over here. It will all be protected. Other part coming to is your door edges that you see. Many customers, when they are parallel parked, they open the car and they tend to hit the car somewhere on the side, and this will prevent your paint from chipping, the edge lining that you see. It will completely protect your edges, because maximum what happens is that the car gets chipped on a side, then it starts to rust with water damage. So this prevents that. This is a very economic fitting. A set of 4 door handles and just door edges will only cost you 1,200 bucks at Wrap and Shine, and will again come with a warranty of 3 years. And coming to an additional part, many customers prefer the door handle, door edges and the front portions that you've seen. Many customers also prefer the rear bumper. In this case, the rear bumper is fiber, so we've not done PPF here. But if you come to other cars, like example, let's take the Range Rover. Most customers tend to do PPF on this portion of it, because this area is prone to scratches from the back too. So this is all for today's video. We've shown you the most crucial parts that a car needs to get protected with the paint protection film. If you don't have a budget for a complete vehicle, yet you want to experience the PPF and you want to see how it performs on your car, start small, start with small patches. You'll understand the results on your own. Thank you. Stay tuned for more such videos.